Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a Redux tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Use middleware to handle asynchronous actions. So all the Redux we've done so far has been synchronous. So now we're going to learn about how to do asynchronous actions with Redux. So to set it up, we have a middleware, this Redux Thunk middleware. And to use it, we do something like this, where we create the const store, redux.createStore, and we pass in the reducer like we would. And then the second parameter, we pass in redux.apply middleware redux thunk.default. So this will help you be able to do the asynchronous code. So for this exercise, we have a asynchronous reducer. And the first action is requesting data. So whenever we do asynchronous, there's like a loading because we have to wait for it. And then we have a new updated one when the loading is done. So we need a state for when it's loading and then a state for when the data is done loading. So here we have two actions, requesting data and receive data. So this will tie in to our function here. So for this one, we want to dispatch request action here. So before the data is loading, when it's requesting, we do dispatch, and then we dispatch the action requesting data. And call it. And now we do the second one here. So we do the second one is receive data. So dispatch received data, and we pass in data. And that should be it for this one. Thank you so much.